In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a record ID in Airtable. Record IDs are the permanent behind-the-scenes identifiers that Airtable assigns to every row in a table. They're incredibly useful when you're building automations, using the API, or just need a reliable way to reference a specific record that won't change if you rename fields or rearrange your table. Here's the simplest, most reliable way to surface those IDs right inside your base. Start by opening the Airtable base that contains the records you're interested in, and navigate to the specific table where those records live. Any view will work, grid, gallery, or otherwise. So choose the one you're most comfortable with. Now add a new field to the table. You can do this by clicking the plus button at the far right of your existing fields. This creates a brand new column that will dedicate to displaying the record ID. When Airtable asks for the field type, select Formula. This tells Airtable that the value in this column will be calculated automatically rather than typed in manually. If you want to keep things tidy, give the field a clear name, like Record ID, so it's easy to find later. In the Formula Editor, enter the function that returns each row's unique identifier, Record ID. Make sure you type it exactly like that, with the parentheses. There's no need to reference any other field. The function simply looks at the current row and produces its unique ID. Once the formula is in place, confirm by clicking Create Field or Save. Airtable will add the new column to your table and immediately compute the result for every record. You'll now see a unique string appear for each row in that column. That's the record's permanent ID. It won't change if you edit values, move the record, or rename fields, and it's read only, so you can't accidentally modify it. If you're using automations or external tools, this is the value you'll copy to precisely target a specific record. You can also filter, group, or export this field just like any other. If you prefer to keep your view clean, feel free to hide the column after you've captured the IDs. The formula will keep working in the background. And if you duplicate the table or make new records, Airtable will generate IDs automatically for those as well. That's all there is to it. You've added a formula field, used the record ID function, and now have a reliable, always available identifier for every record in your table. Thanks for watching.